आज से 5 से 6 साल पहले तक लोगों ने शायद इसका नाम तक नहीं सुना था, और आज टूर्नामेंट्स हो रहे हैं, क्लासेस फुल है, वेटिंग लिस्ट है। आखिर है क्या इस गेम में?
From the perspective of somebody who loves color, I am in love with this setup. और ये tiles देखकर, ये सब format देख के, I'm very curious to understand what this is about.
So to explain, we have Miss Sheenu. So ma'am, to start with a basic question, ये है क्या? ये गेम क्या है?
This is Mahjong, which is a rage these days. Everywhere you go, सब ये गेम खेल रहे हैं. This is a game of 144 tiles. It comes with a beautiful mat. The tiles, there are
Indeed,
so many
this
beautiful
mat is very beautiful.
tiles. इतनी अलग अलग varieties की आ रही हैं. So basically, हम एक पूरा setup, these racks, the tiles, and the mat.
Right.
That is what creates, and the game is very addictive.
गेम कैसा होगा वो बात की बात है, पर मुझे देखकर बहुत
बहुत
मजा
सुंदर
आया.
है.
I am in love with the details. I see the tiles have different writings on it. Some symbols are there. These are numbered, and these neon color setting, specifically the mat. Manisha, I am in
It's
love
very
with the
beautiful. I'm
mat.
in love with this
Yes,
mat.
that's my favorite.
So,
And I really like the sound of these tiles. When she'll explain ना, ये tiles जब वो आपस में
That's
touch
called
होता है.
that's called the twittering of tiles.
oh
The sound that a sparrow makes. That's the
okay.
twittering of tiles. Yes.
तो मुझे तो आप सर जल्दी से बताओ, मैं सच में बहुत इंटरेस्टेड हूँ जानने में कि what is this game about? What are the basics? How do we play it? What are the importance of numbers, symbols, and the characters on these tiles?
So basically, as I told you, 144 tiles, but American Mahjong, we play with 148 tiles because Chinese do not use jokers in their games.
Acha, one question. As you said, American. So how many categories of mahjongs are there?
There are lots.
Oh,
There's Taiwanese, there's American, there's Singaporean, there's Chinese. And in
Okay.
American also, there's the ATF version, there's Mahjong Gita.
Which
So
is this
there
one?
are a lot. This is,
88.
I do the ATF version.
Okay.
Yes.
okay.
It's quite similar to cards.
Okay.
Just like cards, we have 4 suits.
Okay.
In Mahjong, we have 3 suits. So
Alright.
these are the bamboos, these are the dots, these are the
Oh.
characters. We have our winds, north, east, west, south. We have our
Yes.
dragons. That's the white dragon, the red dragon, and the green dragon. There's the flowers, and the best is our joker.
Okay.
Which you are
Yes.
saying is not
Yes.
part of the original.
Not part of the original Chinese. Yes.
So this is the new twist, American Mahjong.
American
they have
Mahjong.
got it. Okay.
And it's quite similar to cards.
Okay.
Like we have a sequence, as you know, in Tilpati, in Rummy we play. There's a sequence. So this is a sequence. A sequence in Mahjong is called a chow.
Okay.
Ciao.
A chow. Right? And similarly, there's a trail. All
Okay.
same
All the
numbers,
numbers, yes.
right? This is called a pang.
Okay.
Punk.
Pang. Yes.
Okay. So a person like me, मुझे ये cards highly complicated और confused category of game लगता है. So is mahjong is that
Not
that
at all.
complicated?
Not
Yeah,
at
it is
all.
very easy to play or very easy to
See,
understand.
the only thing is you get intimidated by itni sari tiles, different patterns.
Right.
But 15-20 minutes, once you understand ki kitne suits hai, what are these called, once you identify all the tiles, then think 15-20 minutes and it's easier. Anything
And
you play, be
what
it
are
chess.
these for?
These are the racks where you place your tiles, like this, where you hide your game and you play. These are the
Alright,
racks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is the strategy behind this game? Is it luck based or skill based game? Because I'm sure when players are intimidating about this game, what is that makes this game more special? Is it luck based or it plays with the skill?
It's both.
Okay.
Luck is what you are dealt with. Every player gets 13 tiles
All right.
and they have to make a combination of those out of those 13 tiles.
Okay.
Skill is how you play with those tiles. It's you have to be observant what tiles are coming down, what the other person is playing. You should be able to change your game in between. So that is your skill.
तो जैसे कार्ड्स में होता है कि आमने सामने बैठे लोग एक दूसरे को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कि अब क्या नई चाल चलने वाले हो, तो क्या mahjong में भी ऐसा होता
Mahjong
है?
में भी ऐसा ही होता है. Of
Okay.
course, we know what suit is she playing with. Sometimes we hold back the last tile. You need one tile to mahjong, and we hold it back. We don't want to give that tile.
तो जैसे कार्ड्स में there are multiple players.
Yeah.
Mahjong में the maximum is 4. I guess.
Maximum is 4 players.
So
you
on
can
a, on
play
a
with.
board on a table, there
On
are
a
4
table.
players.
Yes, there are 4
And
players.
so is it has to be 4? It has to be played.
No,
by
you
within
you can play with 3 players also.
four? Okay.
We build a wall for them, but ideal is 4 players.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
So you need a lot of strategy.
You need a
Yes.
lot of strategy. You need your total by the end of your game. It's end till end. You have to use your mental intellect.
So if I'm building up my curiosity, I want to play the game.
Yeah.
I will be given 13 tiles.
You will be giving 13
ठीक है?
tiles.
अब उन
Yes.
13 tiles के साथ that will be secure to me. Are they going to be showed to other
No,
players?
they're not. You will only disclose your tiles once you have mahjong.
So if
Once you have
So
finished your
initially
game.
you get 13 tiles.
13 tiles. Yes.
I'm keeping it like this.
Yes.
And how
I
do we
cannot
get
see
those
your,
tiles?
Not
Nobody can see each other's tiles.
ठीक
Just
है.
like cards, we will pick and we'll
Oh,
discard.
okay.
Just like cards.
तो ये दिए कैसे जाते हैं? लाइक कार्ड्स में तो यू जस्ट शफल, सो ये तो सारी ऐसे.
These are, we will be building our walls. So 1919
So we'll
and
hide all these,
1818.
like we'll keep it them
Yes,
like this.
they'll all be
So-
shuffled
Okay.
and they'll all be kept. The walls
Okay.
will be built,
Right.
right? 1818 and 1919 walls will be built.
Okay.
And that's how it's just say in cards we keep all together and the person will keep drawing a card.
Okay.
Here we build walls. From walls we'll keep on picking.
So for our viewers, I'm curious to know if all three of us are playing, how this when this mat is placed, these walls are created, the tiles are placed. How are we going to play the game? Just briefly tell us कि ये game कैसे शुरू होगा और कहाँ lead करेगा.
So सबको, as I told you, 13 tiles मिलेंगी.
ठीक है.
East always gets 14 tiles.
Okay.
Okay. And
क्योंकि वो-
what's east?
So
Direction.
these directions,
Okay.
these are winds, right?
Okay.
So we always start with the east.
Because it's a
Right.
Chinese game.
It's a Chinese
Yes.
game.
ठीक है.
And how the east, this game is played anti-clockwise, right?
Okay.
So if you are east, this person would be south,
Okay.
west, and north.
Oh.
That's how it goes,
Okay.
right? So the game starts always with the east, and then east gets 14 tiles because he will not draw the tile; he'll discard the tile first.
Alright.
And
Okay.
of those 13 tiles, you will choose your variation. Now we have around in half limit and full limit complete we have around more than 100 variations in this version.
Okay.
So we will choose what game are we playing out of those. Everybody will play their individual games. We are not playing the same game,
Okay.
Okay.
right? All 4 players will choose their game according to the tiles they have been dealt with.
शिरो mahjong की स्टोरी बताइए. इसका origin कहाँ से आया था? कैसे ये गेम स्टार्ट हुआ?
Mahjong started in China. It's a Chinese game in the 1800s in the Qing dynasty. And then all these traders, travelers, they got it to the West, the US, it started getting popular, Japan. That is why there are so many versions of the game. You know, everybody made their own rules and regulations of the game. Chinese, American, Japanese. There's a Singaporean version also.
Okay.
That's how it spread all over.
Quite universal game.
Quite a universal game.
अच्छा, पिछले कुछ सालों में ये सोशल सर्कल में ये गेम बहुत पॉपुलर हो रही है. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, ये इंडिया में गेम सोशल सर्कल से पॉपुलर हुई है या फिर द सोशल मीडिया?
See, it's both. Initially, social circle, you see tournaments happening,
Right.
people playing with tiles, there are get-togethers, there are parties being hosted, there are retreats. There are so many retreats happening all over the country, you know. So that's what attracts people, right? And then word of mouth. Like a friend of mine came from Dubai. She told me, "You must play this game." That's how I started. My friends learned. The social circle also helped in that, right? So
Right.
it's both. So once you get curious, कि what is this happening, then you try doing it also. So social media, it creates awareness.
It is
but
just amplified.
yes, it's amplified.
Like Manisha said कि इंडिया में बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया गेम एंड यू आल्सो अग्री कि सोशल मीडिया ने अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड करी, सोशल सर्कल ने इसे और स्प्रेड किया. बट व्हाई चंडीगढ़ की स्टोरी इतनी स्पेशल क्यों है? आई हैव कम टू नो फ्रॉम यू दैट इट्स गेटिंग रियली पॉपुलर इन
Yes, it is.
चंडीगढ़. सो व्हाई, व्हाट इज द रीजन व्हाई इट इज सो पॉपुलर इन
Because
चंडीगढ़?
Chandigarh is a social hub. It's a party place. People like to party. There are Diwali season is like every day there's a Diwali party happening.
Right.
There are kitty parties, right? Kitty parties have exhausted, honestly. I am
Really?
also a part of that. But everybody's enjoying learning a new game. This is creating more friendships, communities,
Right.
right? And people are enjoying doing a different thing for a change. So that's how it has become so popular in Chandigarh.
So what I've noticed in Chandigarh itself, तो जो mahjong की community है, so there are a lot of women
Yeah.
who are playing mahjong.
Correct.
So is it just restricted to women, or if women are liking this game, so what is that connection with them?
See, kitty parties also you'll see mostly women,
Yes.
right? So women are the main connection, but they are getting men also involved. I have been doing so many couple classes these days because they want it's a family game.
Right.
It's a family game. They want their husbands also to play, learn, and that's how they can spend family time together.
So it's spread across ages,
Yes.
and genders, and also.
I have taught a 12-year-old also, and I have taught an 80-year-old person also.
Do you think Gen Zs can also make a connection with this game? Are they making any connections as such?
Not as of now.
Not at all.
So youngest player कौन था? How young?
See, a mother called me to her place to teach her 2 daughters because she wanted less screen time for their children. See,
And how
it's
old
a
were
mental
they?
stimulating game. So she was like, yeah, how old? 80-year-old
Oh,
also.
that's
Wow.
too young.
And she loved it.
Is it?
Yes.
So मुझे लग रहा है ये मेरे लिए complicated है, but when a 8-year-old can learn
It's
this
not
game, I'm sure then काफी लोग इसको सीख सकते हैं.
Correct.
मैं तो इसको सिर्फ कलर्स के चक्कर में सीखने में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ.
Maybe our kids will sit around कि यार बड़ा
Yes.
colourful
Once
है.
you start playing, even you'll get addictive.
So as we discussed, अभी आपने कहा kitty parties में the games are being replaced with this. So as you said, women led है ये majorly.
Right.
So is this also working as a therapy? Because kitties जब होती थी तो when we used to go to kitties, so सब बैठ के they used to vent out all their stress, all their things that is happening around them, जो घर का pressure है कुछ.
Right.
So now that they have started playing this, तो ये हम ये माने कि एक therapy का काम कर रहे हैं.
In fact, women want to be quiet now and just enjoy, you know.
Okay.
That's wonderful.
So, yeah.
I'm very amazed to know this, that women
Yeah.
wants to be quiet.
Because they are involved in the game. I
Yes,
think
they
they
are
want to
involved
enjoy
in
the
the-
strategy, they want to win, and they want to participate.
Correct. They want to do new things. This is a me time for them. That's how they connect. And so many different age groups are also coming together. Right?
So, has it ever happened that someone's mother, when she wins the game, she becomes mahjong champion in that particular community? Does it make a difference?
Oh, is that you?
Please tell us about that story.
So like I'm a baker, as you I don't know, as you know, I'm a baker mostly. So I started playing mahjong, and now I'm that my daughter is like, Mom, what's happened to you? You know, I play and I play to win. You
Oh,
know?
wow.
So that has
Yes.
become your new passion.
New
now.
passion. It's my new passion, and now that I'm taking so many classes, Sundays I've kept for myself that I'll go and play. So I play with my friends. I don't get the time that much to play now because the classes are full.
Okay.
कि mahjong is helping women, as मतलब mahjong is considered as a therapy, because
Therapy.
you said that they don't want to talk, they want to play.
They want to play. They want to get out of their mundane routine, right? And they want to build connections. and they want some me time for
So, इसमें आप ये कह
themselves
सकते हैं
without
that
feeling guilty.
kitty parties में mostly catching up, but now they are here to learn because there are many classes about many different things. So this is one of the different things that
Yes,
people
and
nowadays.
I feel women want to be in the stream also.
Stream, yes, yes,
They don't want to be behind. Everybody is learning.
of course.
Everybody. Of course, out of those 80%, 50% will follow.
So
Right.
now that in
It's
in
a
a kitty
commitment
party,
game.
if one lady has learned this,
Yes.
the other will definitely. अच्छा
Yes.
इसने कर लिया, मैं कैसे
I
रहूँगी?
think तंबोला भी ऐसे इंट्रोड्यूस
ऐसे ही इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था, करेक्ट.
Mahjong is
And you will be
thinking
surprised to know मुझे तंबोला भी नहीं आता खेलना.
हम पहले तंबोला से स्टार्ट करेंगे फिर कुछ पाएंगे फिर मनीषा को महजौन
So I'm
सिखाएंगे.
ashamed कि एक 8 साल का बच्चा सीख सकता है. I'm quite.
आपका नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट रेडी है.
मेरा रेडी
मेरा
है.
मैं रेडी
You
हूँ.
are
ऐसा
learning
दो
from
और
me.
बच्चे आने वाले हैं स्क्रीन पे. आपको अगर हम ऑनलाइन करेंगे तो स्क्रीन पे 2 और दिखेंगे.
Correct.
तो आपको लगता है कि कोई सिर्फ एक माँ के नाम से पहचाना जाता है किसी बच्चे की और वो अचानक से एक महजौन चैंपियन भी साबित होने लगती हैं और वो एक सोशल सर्कल उनका एक लीडर की तरह निकलने लगता है. Does it make difference? ऐसा होता है?
Of course it does. That's me. My daughter is so proud of me. You know, I learned, I think I learned in February, and now that I'm teaching, so it's a great feeling. She also says, "Mom, you're doing wonders. You learned, now you're teaching, and I'm teaching mothers. माओं को सिखा रही हूँ."
वाओ. और वैसे भी ये गेम ऐसा है जिसमें आप लीडर्स को डेवलप कर रहे हो तो
Yes.
ऑब्वियसली इट्स मस्ट बी वेरी
It's a
इंस्पायरिंग.
high, definitely.
और अभी सीखा भी आपने रिसेंटली
अभी
है
recently.
और ये इट हैज गिवन अ हाइज टू लॉट ऑफ पीपल.
Yes.
They are playing game and also
And I'm teaching the mom-in-laws and their daughter-in-laws also in
Wow,
their
that's so
circle.
sweet.
And I'm loving that. And I had a session last, all my friends' daughter-in-laws. So I told them, I'm your mom-in-law. She says, no, you are not.
आपकी लाइफ में अचानक से एक नया चेंज ले लिया इस आने के बाद.
Yes.
So now अभी आपने जैसे कहा that you have a lot of students that you teach है ना, mother-in-laws and daughter-in-laws होते हैं.
Correct.
So now there are few personalities जो बहुत introvert होती हैं. जैसे वो बाहर जाके नहीं बात करेंगे और maybe they don't have a good social circle.
Correct.
So did you encounter any personality जो mahjong सीखने के बाद might have there's a drastic change in the personality. वो introvert से I'm sure extrovert बोलना एक बहुत ही
Extreme होगा.
extreme हो गया. But
Yeah.
have you ever encountered such incidents?
They are baby steps. And yes, one example is my own Bhabhi.
अच्छा.
She doesn't like to step out of the house. I went home, I taught her specially. I said, no, you have to learn. And now she is playing with my friends.
Oh, that's
So
so
we
nice.
have a community, random people, they put in that community, whosoever is free can come and play. And she's actually going, she's making an effort to go out and I'm so happy about it.
Ah, that's so nice.
Yeah, it helps, definitely.
So that means this helps to change
Of course
the
it
personality.
helps. Yes.
So that works as a therapy as well.
And it's a group of 4 people who are playing. And as and when whosoever is free can just make a plan and meet at any cafe and play. which
Okay,
is
so
so
people
good.
there interact जो free
Yes,
है, they
जो-
discuss and they set up a
Yes,
place.
whatever.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah. They engage.
तुमने फिर भी नहीं करना है.
मैंने फिर भी नहीं करूँगी. मैं फिर भी नहीं करूँगी.
महजौन इंट्रोवर्ट पर्सनालिटीज को एक नया रास्ता दिखाता है,
Platform
नया
देता
प्लेटफॉर्म देता है.
Right.
स्ट्रैटेजिकली प्ले किया जाता है. लोगों को इसे खेलने में मजा आता है,
मजा
डोपामाइन फीलिंग आती है. क्या करता है ब्रेन के साथ महजौन? क्या
It
क्या चीजें
stimulates your brain. It keeps you active, right? You have to, it helps you in your memory because continuously you have to see what's happening in the game, right? Your observation skills are better. So that's how it helps.
And why is the game so addictive? Like I've literally seen people जो mahjong खेलते हैं कि यार बस एक गेम और हो जाए, एक गेम और.
आपको 2 सेशंस के बाद मैं पूछूंगी आपसे. The game is very addictive because every game is different. Once you dealt those 13 tiles, you'll play 100 games. Those 100 games would be different. Yes, the planning, how to play that game, what do you have to make out of that game. Sometimes you have to change your game in between. That helps. That also helps your brain.
Which was the longest game? What the time duration that has ever happened with you जो बहुत लंबा गया हो कि
Only
4-5
when someone
घंटे?
across of you who takes ages to discard takes a lot of time. So that teaches you patience also,
Yes.
right?
Patience to win.
Patience to wait for the other person to discard.
Dice का क्या use है इस game में?
When we start the game, everybody rolls the dice. The
Okay.
highest is East. Because as I told you, East से game start होती है. तो जिसका number highest आता है, he's East.
Oh.
Yeah.
I
And
don't
East
know.
gets 14 times
Right.
to play.
So मुझे ईस्ट का तो पता नहीं, but I just love the way the sounds come. The tiles that make this sound.
These tiles are different,
Right.
but the original tiles, when they started, they were made of bone.
Oh.
And they were so beautiful.
Human bones?
Ox bones.
Oh.
Ox
Yes.
bones. अच्छा.
Ox bones. And they, one of my students, she inherited them from somebody.
Oh.
And she got them, and they are hand carved, they are hand painted, and they were
Wow.
gorgeous. So
I'm
now,
sure.
because they have been made in China, different acrylic, plastic, उन सब में ये tiles आ गई हैं, but जो original था वो बहुत beautiful था. Yeah.
महाभारत की चौसर में भी जो पासे फेंके जाते थे वो बोन्स के बनते थे.
अच्छा.
जो शकुनी मामा जी थे वो गेम इसीलिए जीते क्योंकि उसके जो पासे थे वो उनके पिता की अस्थियों से थे बने हुए. इसलिए वो पासे उनकी सारी बातें मानते थे. So आपको क्या लगता था कि ये एक इंडस्ट्री का रूप ले सकती है? Mahjong can actually become a real industry again?
It is really growing into an industry because it's not just about teaching now. There are event planners, there are tournaments, retreats are being held. So there's so much of opportunity for those people.
Okay.
There's merchandise. As I told you, mats, there's an endless variety of mats. There's endless variety of sets. Each set has different racks. You can choose your own racks.
Oh.
So we choose everything, your mat, your racks, your what do you call
Mat.
mats, right? So we choose everything. There's so many things you can do with it now. It's just like pickleball, paddle. They
Right.
picked up so well.
Right,
Similarly, mahjong. It's a complete industry now. It's how you use your creativity. Now, recently I did a international mahjong day, as it was on 1st August. So I got button buddies made. I small gifts, personalized gifts to everybody. So there's a lot of there's a lot of opportunities.
Okay, talking about the opportunities. So for the young entrepreneurs, how do they see Mahjong as a business opportunity? What is the future possibilities for them?
See, it is how creative you are. As I told you, even little paraphernalias, I see so many bags being made, and each bag is minimum, it starts from 10,000. Right.
Okay.
And retreats are being happening. People are holding Goa, you go, there's Singapore, anywhere. There are retreats.
If I talk about your personal experience, has Mahjong changed your life? Has it changed your perception while you've started playing with it?
How it has changed me is just that I honestly I have been more patient now because game teaches you patience.
Right.
It is a game you play calmly and you strategize.
Right.
It's helped me remembering things also because so many times now it's like चाबी कहाँ है वो हमें याद नहीं है, हम कहाँ रख के भूले वो. This helps in your helps with your brain.
So कोई ऐसी story जो बहुत related to Mahjong, maybe funniest or something, some emotional story that you may remember with your students or with your co-players.
So
if you can share some.
Like touching story, I think I shared it that I taught a my mom's friend.
Mm-hmm.
And then she called me to her house and she made me teach her son.
Okay.
Yeah, son and daughter-in-law. She was like, I have to play with you. So more than enjoying the game, he was just happy being there for his mother.
His mother.
Yes.
Oh, that's
And
sweet.
that was the most touching part.
I'm
And I
sure.
really liked it. And he was showing that he's enjoying, yes, mom, I'll play with you. वो बहुत अच्छा लगा
That
था.
is the bond that they created while playing this
Yes, yes. She wanted the whole family should learn the game so that we spend time with each other.
With this, with the story, there was a connection.
There
There
was
was
a-
a sportsman spirit.
Correct.
There was a bond between the family.
Yeah.
It was all around mahjong.
Right, right.
That sounds very beautiful.
Yes.
All right, so there is a quick POV, the next segment that we have, and we will request you to answer it in the most briefest way, and I'm sure you will enjoy this part.
Done.
Is mahjong gambling?
Not at all.
Is this only for rich ladies?
No,
Is it too difficult?
not at all.
Okay, can Gen Zs play this game?
Of course, they should play this game.
Is it more luck or more skill?
Both.
This is for you. Tea or coffee while playing?
Nothing.
No distraction.
No distraction.
I really want to know which is your favorite tile.
Joker. It helps you win.
Okay, one word for mahjong.
Addictive.
Biggest mistake for beginners?
Biggest mistake for beginners, thinking that I will not win it.
Oh, they give up soon.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, so you have to finish this line. Mahjong is.
Take your time.
For this, you can take your time. Mahjong is.
Passion.
We have learned so many things about mahjong, and the best thing that I and Manisha are able to relate with this table is the tiles, the characters, the color aesthetics, the Chinese wall, the number placement, and the twittering sound of tiles.
Right.
So the another best part of the game is that you can hide. You can keep your tiles here and you can
Your
hide
card
it.
secret.
Right.
Keep your card because in gambling you have to just cards
Yeah.
with you have to just put your
Put your
hand.
correct.
Use your hand.
Yeah.
This is nice.
So thank you so much for coming to our
It's a
show,
pleasure.
and we loved it.
Thank you
And,
so much for having me.
We are so glad to have you with us on the show today.
Thank you
Thank
so much
you.
for being here.
Life हमेशा हमें perfect tiles नहीं देती.
लेकिन जिंदगी का असली फन उन्हीं टाइल से बेस्ट हैंड बनाना है.
और शायद इसीलिए mahjong सिर्फ एक गेम नहीं, एक कम्युनिटी है.
Because every story has another point of view.
See you in the next episode.
POV with Mahima and Manisha.